Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, welcome to Uswa Students Guide YouTube channel. And this is our next lecture about the IDE Integrated Development Environment and the programming. We are working on the programming, and next is our lecture about the constant and the variables that will use in the program. Constant and variable are used in the expression in the computer program. After an expression is evaluated, the result of the expression is also stored in the variable. As the name of constant and variable, I will explain. Dear student, constant means the value whose value is fixed and cannot be changed, and variable means the whose value can be changed. Constant and variables. Constants are the quantities whose value don't change during the program execution. Whenever we execute a program, the value of a constant will be fixed and will not change. There, the constant may be a numeric or characters or the string constants. Numeric constants are the two types, integer and the floating point numbers. Integer constant represent the value that are counted line of the numbers of the students, class of the students, or in other word we can say that the whole number is a integer. Floating point constants are used to represent the values that are measured, like height of the person, which may have the values in the decimal or the fraction part, or the weight of a person, that is 82.6, not whole number. Character constant. Character constant is one of the symbol in the C character set. It includes digits 0 to 9, uppercase A to Z and lowercase a to Z. Both will use. Punctuation symbols such as the semicolon, comma, period, special symbols such as addition, subtraction, equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to. A character constant is enclosed by the single code such as single code AS. String constant. Constants contains a string of the characters within double quotes such as the hello Ahmed. Dear student, there are two basic difference in the constant and character constant. We will write single quotes character, and in the string constant we will write the in double quotes. Variables. As I discussed earlier, that the variable means a symbolic name that represent a value that can change during the execution of a program. A variable has a name known as a variable name, and it holds the data of the other type. A number of any other type of a data held in the variable is called its value. It also includes the type of a value variables can be represented. Variable are of two types, numeric and character. Numeric means numbers are used to represent the numeric values in the computer programming language. They represent integer and the floating point values. Some examples of the numeric variables are the sum, average, length, salary, marks. Character variables represent the character variables or the values of the computer programs. It can represent the single character or the string characters. Some example of a character variable are name as city, gender. These are the character values. When a variable is used in the computer program, the computer associates it with a particular memory location. The value of a variable at any time is the value stored in the associated memory location at the time. Variables are used so that the same space in the memory location can hold different values at the different times. Rules for specifying variables names. How to specify a variable names? Number 1. Variable must begin with the letter underscore and may consist of letter, underscore, or digits. The underscore may be used to improve the readability of the program. It means there is no space used. There is no restriction on the length of a variable name, however, only the first 31 characters of the variable are significant. This means that if two variables have the same first 31 characters, they are considered to be the same or the single variable. Both uppercase and lowercase are allowed in the naming the variable. An uppercase, that is capital ABC, and the lowercase, that is the lower ABC. An uppercase letter is considered different from a lowercase considered different from. For example, the variable AVG is different from AVG. As I discussed earlier, both have the different meanings. Special characters cannot be used in the variable names like hashtag, question mark, @ of, etc. Reserved word of the C language such as int, case, if cannot be used for the variables. Space is not allowed in the name of variable. For example, MA dash space SS is not correct variable. Next is data types used in the C programming. C provides the three main data types for the variable, that is integer, floating, and the characters variables. Integer data types, integer variables, declaration type specifier variable. For example, int sum. This is the how to write the data types. The declaration consists of the type name int followed by the name of that variable sum. All the variables used in the C program must be declared. It means, dear student, whenever you will write a program, you have to use any kind of a variable, then you will initialize, you will declare before using that variables. Int a, b, sum, product. There are four variables we are using and separated by the commas. Declaring a variable tells the computer name of the variable and its type. And it means we are using a variable a, and the type of that variable is int or integer. This enables the compiler to recognize the valid variable name in the program. This is very difficult. If the user type a wrong spelling of the variable name in this program, the compiler will give an error and message during the declaration or during the that you have defined and indicated variable is not good or you have undeclared. Declaration of an integer variable can begin with the type qualifiers like short, long, unsigned. This is the length of a variable we are using. Short int number, long int sum, average, unsigned int count. Short unsigned int count. Type qualifiers refer to the number of the bytes used for storing the integer on the particular computer. Refer to the computer manual to find out the size of a computer being used. Generally, the number of bytes set resides the compiler for the above type this. Dear student, the variable declaration, if we are using int short int, then we will use 2 bytes and the range will be minus 32,762 plus 32,767. Same, if we are using long int, then the number of byte will use 4 and the range will be minus 2147483642 plus 2147483647. This must be memorized for the student. Unsigned integer, we will use 2 bytes 0 to 65535. This is the range. Here unsigned implies that the value variable is a greater than or equal to or 0. The qualifier sign is rarely used since by the default in an integer declaration assumes a signed number. Unsigned type qualifier in the declaration statement, for example, you can write that floating point data type. Floating point means short number hai, and there is a short number and we are using the floating point data type. Floating point data type are used for the storing the floating point numbers. Floating point numbers are stored in the memory in two parts. The first part is mantissa and second part is its exponent or the power. Float base height, double float a comma b comma total, long double float size x comma y. Now variable declaration, number of bytes, range. If we are using float, we will use 4 bytes. If we are using double float, we will use 8 bytes, and if we are using long double float, we will use 10 bytes, and their range will be also different. Here the precede means the number of digits after the decimal point, and the word float may be omitted when it is preceded by the double or the long double qualifiers. There is another method of representing the floating point number known as the exponential notation. For example, as we have discussed, as dear student, we have discussed in the physics lecture in 9th class physics. For example, the number 23688 would be represented as 2.368, and E4 means exponent 10 raised to power 4, and so on. Character data means we are using which kind of a character variable used to just store the character constant. For example, character will use char and ch comma letter comma a. Character variable can only store one character. The compiler sets inside 1 byte of the number for the storing the character of the character variable. This is your end of chapter, dear student, and please memorize this chapter and make some key points, make some notes. Thank you very much.